Hello everyone, so this is my little wormery that I'm setting up now. I think mine comes with five different trays. So what I've done is I put a cardboard, or you can use newspaper, then put the cocoa coir. It comes with a cocoa coir that you need to put on the ground, and I put a bit of garden compost and garden soil, just sprinkle it. So the next step will be to put the worms in. So let's go. So the worms are in the bag, and they're in this bag, and this is the worm food. So what I'm going to do is try to open this bag, and let's see if I can do this now. Let's try to open this. You know what, I'm going to, so I've opened the bag, so the worms are inside this bag, so I'm just going to take them out. As you can see, the worms are there, so we just try to move them. Let's see if I can move them around like that. You can see them. It's loads of worms. And what I'm going to do is we're going to get the food and spread the food around like that. Spread the food all around. Let's get more food. More food all around. Let me see if there's none in the bag. There's nothing in the bag. And that's it. And what I will do next is get a damp of newspaper, and you just put it on it. Put a damp of newspaper. I think what I'll do is wet it more. Let's see if I can wet this a little bit more. So the paper is a bit damp, so just pour it on top, cover it. You've got to cover everything. Cover everything. I think I need more paper. Definitely more paper. Let's get more paper. So here you go. I've covered it with a damp newspaper to protect them, because they don't like the light, and this will make them comfortable to get comfortable in the environment. Then I'll get the lid and cover it up, and there you go. I think I'm going to do all over around. Let's see, and there you go, all done. And what I'll do is I will check them tomorrow. And I think as they get used to the environment, and as they start eating this food, and I think once they finish eating this food, you've got to put another tray in. But this is all new to me, so I'm just going to see how this goes. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video about wormery that I just did. Enjoy. Bye.